Hi, it's Russell from voicerecognition.com.au. Today I'm demonstrating the new Dragon Veterinary voice recognition product designed for vets in Australia. We're going to be using it in the Henry Schein product Vision, which is a veterinary management application, to demonstrate how effective Dragon Veterinary is in that application and how much time you'll save over typing. The new Dragon Veterinary website is dragonveterinary.com.au. I encourage you to have a look at that. It's got a lot of information about the various features, and you can also visit us at voicerecognition.com.au if you have any other questions. So I'll just get straight into dictating into Vision so you can see how effective this might be for your practice. So I've got a remote session started. A lot of vets will use a remote session to access the software, so it's a good example of the sort of performance you might expect. I've opened up an animal and I'm in the notes section. I can dictate some dummy text. I'm just reading from a sample. Puppy was presented in November with a history of lethargy and weight loss, but no reported loss of appetite, full stop. So that's directly dictating into Vision using Dragon straight out of the box. I've made no modifications, and I'm also remoting into another machine. So it's a reasonably complex environment, but it's working perfectly. For short, sharp, single inputs, you can go to anywhere and dictate straight into here. New line. You can dictate into almost any field within this application, full stop. So if we're using more lengthy, we have a requirement for more lengthy reports, we might open a document. In that case, we'll just use the sample document. And then we can dictate a lengthier response. In this instance, I'll demonstrate the use of the Dictation Box, which is a tool built into the Dragon Veterinary software, which allows for editing and much longer dictations, which will be more efficient than those single lines. Here's an example of one of the documents that you might see. And you can just decide where you want to input by placing the mouse. We can also customize it to make it a bit more Dragon friendly, but this is to show you how it is out of the box. New paragraph. Now I'll open the Dictation Box by pressing a button on my PowerMic 3. Most Dragon products come with the PowerMic 3. It's a very handy and efficient device to use. We can also use wireless headsets, that sort of thing. Entirely up to you. So what we've got is this Dictation Box. Here we can do editing. It's faster and it'll transfer the text when we're done, but it will allow us to edit, correct any mistakes. So we generally will encourage the use of this Dictation Box, especially when remoting, and if we want to do any kind of formatting. His lymph nodes were normal sized and spleen was only mildly enlarged, full stop. These results were interpreted as acute leukemia. So I can edit some of this if I wish to. Bold leukemia, underline enlarged. Now you might not want to do that. I just wanted to show that that capability still exists, even though we're remoting into a completely different computer via a remote session. Transfer. So the program has pasted the text into it. We can change the font and that sort of thing to have it fixed, but this is what you'd experience straight out of the box. Now we provide training and support for all of the Dragon Veterinary installation, so we'll show you how to tweak it and change it to how you wish to use it. You can also click on buttons within this application. This isn't a special feature of Dragon, it's just designed that way. So it's very efficient. Press F9. So that closed it. We could bind them to a key press if we wanted. Move up 3. So we've got verbal control of different things. We can also add specialized commands, macros, so that it outputs a specific type of or amount of text where you can just then edit it, so boilerplate type text, that sort of thing. If that's useful to you, that's part of our discovery process when we talk to you about your use of the software. The important thing is immediately you can use it without any real manipulation or change. It's an out-of-the-box solution that will be very effective for your practice. Thank you for taking the time to view this demonstration of Dragon Veterinary with the Vision program, full stop. New paragraph. I look forward to speaking with you, full stop.